at your brother.
Oh my
It's their
God.
first bath.
I gotta get that.
You guys are gonna get all the water all over the house. There's not gonna be any water left. Are you clean? Are you clean now? Huh? Oh.
Oh, he's all wet.
Yeah, you like that? Huh? Did you like that? It's so cute.
Oh, he hopped right back in.
See how tiny these birdies are? This is my hand. They're tiny birdies. Tiny birdies. You guys are giving me a shower. Oh. Come here, honey. Come here, you're all wet on the floor. Be on the floor. Are you done? Hmm? Are you all done? Look at you. You guys are all wet. All right. We got some clean birdies now.
You can't play with me.
Oh, come here, honey. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah. You trying to dry off now? Yeah? Yeah. Are you done? Come here. Are you all done? They're clean. Our babies know how to take a bath now.